Hello, so I want to provide the solution to this problem that we have on the board. So given this function that we have here, so I want to find the dy dx, right? So you can see that this is in an explicit form, implicit form. So we'll be solving this, we'll be differentiating this using what? Implicit method of differentiation. But since we are having like two functions here, multiplying each other, we have x and y. So we'll be using product rule here. All through we'll be using implicit differentiation, method of differentiation. So we'll be using product rule in this particular place and also applying implicit method of differentiation, right? So from here, solution. So from here we have what? Let's keep 5 outside. Okay? So if you keep x, differentiate this, you have x squared y dy dx plus keep this, differentiate this, you have y 2x, right? Then for this one you have what? 12x squared equal to, this will be 0, right? Yeah, because this is a constant. If you differentiate the constant, you get 0. Yeah. So use this 5 to distribute into this and this. If you do that, you have what? 5x squared y dy dx plus 5 times 2 will give you 10. 10x y plus 12x squared equal to 0. You collect like terms. You take this function here, this and this term and this term outside this this equal sign. Hence you have 5x squared y dy dx equal to, hence you have minus 10x y minus 12x squared, right? Yeah. So we want to make this dy dx the subject. Making dy the subject, dy dx the subject means dividing both sides the coefficient of what? Dy dx. So what's the coefficient? Coefficient is everything that we have here, right? So divide both sides. Divide both sides with what? This 5x squared y. Hence we have what? 5x squared y dy dx equal to minus, let's factor this out, this minus, alright? Only factor out the minus. So if you use this minus to distribute into this, you get the same thing. So we are dividing both sides with what? 5x squared y over 5x squared y. So this will cancel this. Hence, our dy dx is equal to what? Minus 10x y plus 12x squared over what? 5x squared y. Yeah. So you can actually decide to leave your answer this way, or maybe they have something in common. I think they have x here. You can actually decide to factor out x here. If you factor out x here, it cancels out 1x here, right? Or you can leave your answer this way. It's still the same thing. Yeah. So the derivative of this function here is everything I have here, the dy dx. As simple as that. Thanks for watching.